Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JLab Go Air Sport headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily install this app for your Android device. At first we have to open our Play Store application and we have to go into search. In the search bar we have to search for JLab. And now we can search. As you can see, we have JLab Audio. We have to tap install button. Now it may take some time, so don't worry. It depends on your internet connection and your phone. And as you can see, now our app is installed. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.